Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. The work of this world makes a person tired, but a person should make time for the remembrance of Allah. Some supplications can be easily passed over the tongue, and their importance in front of Allah is very high. Whoever recites the following words 100 times in a day, his minor sins will be erased, even if his sins are like the foam of the sea. These beautiful words are as follows: Subhan Allah wa bihamdihi, Subhan Allahil Azeem. Glory be to Allah, and praise is due to Him. Glory be to Allah, the Great. Abu Huraira reported Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam as saying, "Two are the expressions which are light on the tongue, but heavy in scale, dear to the Compassionate One. Glory be to Allah, and praise is due to Him. Glory be to Allah, the Great." By glorifying Allah, many things become easy. Small words fill the record of good deeds for a person. Whoever recites it once, 10 good deeds will be written for him. And whoever recites it 10 times, 100 good deeds will be written for him. And whoever recites it 100 times, 1,000 good deeds will be written for him. And whoever reads more, Allah Almighty will give him more. And whoever asks Allah Almighty for forgiveness, Allah Almighty will forgive him. In addition, whoever recites Subhanallah wa bihamdi 100 times in the morning and evening, no one will have a better deed on the day of resurrection except for the person who has recited these words equal to or more than him. By reciting this dua, a person becomes closer to Allah. The reason is, the ranks of reciting this dua are very high, so we should not ignore reading them.